Okay, guys, there's something going on that I want to tell you about. There is a company this week that just divulged that they hold XRP on their books. This is the beginning of something I've been talking to you guys about, and I want you to understand and know that this is a big, big deal. All right, so this just was divulged. That's a relatively medium-sized company, and they've just divulged that they are holding XRP on their financial books, their records. Okay, so why is this a thing, and why are we now starting to see this? Number one, we're going to see more of this start to come out, and this is a sign of what? Of companies buying XRP and holding it just like they are doing with Bitcoin, okay? So this is the sign of more things to come. More companies are going to start to divulge this. And I want you to know about this, and I want you to know it's a thing because this is something I've been talking about for a long time. There are those signs, those little breadcrumbs, if you will, of things that you need to be watching. And that's why I make videos like this, so that you're aware of them, so that you know that this is happening without major fanfare, without major announcement. And this is ultimately going to help the price of XRP, because as we see mass adoption, meaning just regular people start to buy into XRP, price is going to go up. B, as we see companies like the one I'm telling you about that just announced, and it's a company you've never heard of. It's not a real big company per se, but it's the beginning, right? It's the beginning of a trend. It's the beginning of companies that are looking at crypto assets, and they're going, okay, what crypto assets should we buy and hold on our books? Of course, Bitcoin, but XRP is going to be at the top of that list, okay? And this is just proof of that. You're going to start seeing more major announcements around this coming out, and if you're looking, you'll see them. You'll see the value there, because this shows adoption. This shows the value of companies believing in XRP and wanting to buy and hold it on their books, which is ultimately going to help you and I as XRP tokens. Because again, if major companies buy the asset, in this case XRP, and hold it, they're effectively taking those tokens out of circulation, right? I mean, effectively. And most of these companies are not going to sell these assets like Bitcoin, like XRP in the short term. No, they're going to buy because they're long-term value investors. And again, why are they buying and holding it on their books? Because they see the massive potential for a profit for obviously buying XRP at today's prices and then selling it years down the road at a 10x multiple, a 20x multiple, whatever that may be, to deliver profit to their shareholders, okay? So this is a thing. This is something that I wanted you to be aware of, and I just wanted to make this real quick video for you because I'm about to head to church, but I wanted to get this video out for you guys so that you knew that this was something. Now, again, some of you guys will come into the comments and go, well, that didn't matter. It didn't raise the price of XRP today. I really want you to look beyond what price of XRP is today, right this moment. Look beyond that. Remember, what do I talk about? I talk about being a long-term value XRP investor and holder. And the value there is you're buying at today's prices, and you're going to see a massive multiple as we roll along down the road. Okay, now XRP, again, is one crypto that I own. Remember, I always talked about this in videos. Be a good diversified crypto holder. Own some Bitcoin, XRP, major altcoins. Spread it around. Own some AI crypto, things of that nature. Some up and comings like, Sui is a great one, things of that nature. But I wanted you to know about this company that's announced that they are holding XRP on their books as an investment asset, because this is, again, we're going to see more and more of this. And I wanted you to know early, because this is really the first time we've seen a major announcement like this. And I wanted to get on this and let you guys know about it. Okay. So lastly, before I let you go, I mentioned Sui as an example. I have a trading indicator that tells you when to buy and when to sell any crypto. Go look at the Sui chart, SUI, as an example, right? Now, this has worked fantastically for XRP as well, but XRP right now is kind of consolidating. It's not doing a whole bunch. It's waiting on the market to start moving up, things of that nature. But Sui just went up 70% in the last 7 days. And my software gave a perfect buy alert right here, and it hasn't given a sell alert yet, okay? Hasn't done that. Why? Because the software says it's not the right time to sell. So everybody who's using my software who got an alert for Sui knew that the right time to buy, and now they're 70% in profit. If they would have bought $1,000 worth of Sui, SUI, they would have already made $700 in profit just off that. And it's, by the way, still going up because the software hasn't told them to sell. And that's what the software X1 Algo is, my trading indicator. It runs on your iPhone, runs on an Android, it runs on any device, runs on your computer as well. It tells you when to buy and when to sell so that you can make all that profit in between and put it in your bank account, put it in your pocket. And that's why I made it. And oh, by the way, it costs a little bit more than $1 a day. It's like $1.17. And $1.17 is what it costs a day. You spend more than that on stuff that doesn't make you a penny. And I'm trying to help you make more profit. So links are in the description below to say X1 Algo. There's a discount code down there that makes the software cost that low price to give you that discount, as well as a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. You get to try the software for 30 days. You don't like it, you get a complete refund. But you're gonna like it because it's gonna help you make a bunch of money. Okay, so check it out. Links in the description below. Go take a look at it. I'll see you, and more to come. All right, take care. Bye.